Welcome to a participation trophy fishing video. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. This video is from November 27th, 2024. My friend Eddie invited me out on his boat, and along with us was Tony, Eddie's friend, and Tony's son, Sam. So we started out the morning at about 7 in the morning. It was 37 degrees outside, and it was a little breezy, so it would definitely wake you up. Right off the bat, we noticed some birds, and we decided to start chasing birds and bait. Seeing what we could jig up, see if we could snag anything, and hook up to a circle hook and try to catch. This is our trip, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. I have the plastic things on this.
No plastic things.
How the hell am I not? Right off the bat, I started getting hit on my flutter spoon, but I couldn't set the hook on anything. I don't know what was going on. But unfortunately, what we did start catching was dogfish. Yep, and that's what I had a feeling they were.
Doggy?
So we kept chasing the birds and the bait from spot to spot, even going from mini fleet to large fleet, and we were still getting nothing but the dogfish. So then we ended up setting up for a troll and giving that a shot. And we were quickly rewarded with a knockdown.
Don't drop that. Yeah.
Alright, so if it's still taking drag, just work the star. You know, just click the star.
You got it, Shad.
And you can see right there is where the fish was lost.
29, right? 28.
And he's going to realize it right about now.
You lost it?
Lost it?
Well, that's fishing. You know, you win some, you lose some. But we did hook up very shortly after that. And Sammy's the first one to hook up, and the very first fish that we get on the boat is actually a keeper. It was exactly 28 inches, so we got one in the box.
You want me to go forward? Just take it away from the engine. That's what you gotta do. Soon. When you pull this way.
A net?
Yeah.
No, we don't need that.
That's a striper.
Go ahead and walk this way.
Shit, that's a keeper.
Might be.
Yeah.
And that one did tape out at exactly 28 inches. And Sammy's dad, Tony, is the next one to hook up.
Oh, you got that one?
Yeah, that was switching now.
Dad, come to walk to my side.
Don't get tangled. Okay. Go in, lost it, right?
No, he's got it.
Alright, you're good. Alright, ready? Start walking back. You're good. You can stop reeling.
Nice.
All is 28.
This one might be a keeper.
Huh?
This one might be like a 30 and a half or so.
I don't think so. That's right on the moment. I sent for that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
So you put the order in?
Yeah. Hold on to it. Don't jump.
So Tony ended up getting a 30-inch keeper right there. And as you can see, he earned it. Good?
Look over here, Dad. Yeah. Roll that one in.
And now it's Eddie's turn to get in on the action.
Nope, not at all.
Everybody's over that way.
Are you up here? Getting closer. Getting closer. Ready?
Alright. I'm getting hooked up.
so? Yep. Oh, it's a nice sight.
There you go. And Eddie gets us our third keeper for the day. Nice little cookie cutter right there.
You know, that one's doing better than the other ones.
Yeah. They must be on bunker. And they're not on sand eels. It's in gear. We're fine. Now it's my turn to get in on the action. Yeah. And it's also on the sand eel imitation, which I put a video together for, and it only cost me like $15 or $16 to put together. So it's nice that it caught something.
Jump on, stretch them out. Get him, Brian. Get him, Brian.
No, we're good. I do this all the time. Maybe not as often as I'd like to. And right after I get my keeper, he hooked up again, and we would end up losing this one at the boat. Oh no, he's legit.
Yeah.
Do you want to keep him?
Yeah, let's keep him.
All right.
Yeah. All right, brother.
You can just leave him, and we'll take care of him after we get that fish.
Lost it? Bring it out.
I can try to keep it if I can.
Oh, we lost it? So we lost that one right behind the boat, but Tony makes up for it with this oversize.
Where you want, on this side?
Yeah. I'm sorry that you can see me keep turning my head, but I'm also piloting the boat, so I'm making sure we don't hit anything or anyone. Big one?
Don't let the fish go that way, Tony.
All right, we'll back that.
All right, Tony, start. Well, yeah, start.
Give a little bit of drag, right?
He kept the hooking on.
Nice one.
All right, give me some slack.
And here's Tony with his over right before it was safely released. So not a bad day overall. Everyone got to fight and bring in at least one fish. There were two more fish that were caught that were unders, so I didn't even bother putting them in the video. I didn't want it to be too long. So, but either way, there's still a couple more trips left in the future, I'm sure. So remember to come back for more in the future. And if you like this video, remember to like and subscribe and come back for more action. Thank you very much for watching, and everyone tight lines, alright?